The Pope, dog. Give me money.
In today's video, Jupiter, my beautiful dog, is going to be trying on Halloween costumes, and as you can see by his face, he did not enjoy this one bit, so please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and today I wanted to do a video that honestly just makes me happy and joyful, and that always includes my 85-pound golden retriever. He lost 5 pounds. Oh my god, there's hairs everywhere. A little disclaimer, this is what Jupiter does in the middle of the night. You might have seen more of that on our vlog channel if you're not already following us. In the past, I've given you guys the power to control my life, even pick my hair color, and today you guys are gonna be choosing Jupiter's Halloween costume. I actually asked you guys on my Instagram and Twitter to send over some of the funniest Halloween costumes. We got home the other day at a park. It was terrifying. The very first costume that we have here is this funny pug dressed as a...
He's slobbering a lot.
Oh god, Jesus Christ. Okay, so he clearly doesn't like this outfit at all. No? Okay. We have 2 little chihuahuas, and one is like a little Mexican guy with a hat, since you're Colombian and stuff. He seems offended. Oh my goodness, here we have a little puppy latte from Starbucks. Oh, there's a little smile. That one, there's a little. Oh my goodness. Then we have, look how freaking hilarious that one is. That was a funny one. Jupiter, how do you feel about that, Marilyn Monroe? So the very first one we're gonna do is the UPS pal, because who wouldn't want a dog to deliver your packages? Comment below if you would want that, because I would. Okay. We just got another random UPS pal, so if you guys want this, comment below in the comments your Instagram and I will DM you.
By the way guys, I don't know if you saw that Mac in the background. Next video. You work for UPS now. What about FedEx? They have good benefits, dog.
Alright you guys, this is the final outfit. It took us 30 minutes to put it on.
UPS dog! Jupiter, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh! Bring me my package. Thank you, UPS.
Yay! Rate down below what you guys think this outfit's like.
Come here.
I thought this was just hilarious. I don't know who
It's
said
not
this.
gonna fit him.
Well, no, I think I got a large.
The Pope, dog. Give me money.
How do you feel in this costume? You look very cold.
He just needs a Bible and then he's good. Go over here. Yeah. Good reaction to this.
Costume, I like it. Dennis just found that it was missing this piece. Whoa. We have the classic, this is one called, you know, those Beanie
It's the
Babies?
Beanie Baby, yeah.
I felt like he's perfect because he's so golden.
You really are conceited about your golden retriever.
Alright. Stay.
Everybody invest your money and then lose it on Jupiter. Just like Beanie Babies.
Well, I'd buy this Beanie Baby.
I don't want to give a dollar for this baby.
Right here we have a little French buddy. Garçon.
Garçon.
So you say boy. Oh yeah!
Quand il danse avec moi, je me laisse bercer par ses pas. Il ne sait plus combien il m'aima, ce secret.
Got a cowboy! Yeehaw! This is my favorite one, you guys. He has so much fur. Yeehaw, boy! Of course, we got the classic lion's mane. This is an upgrade from last year because it has ears. Good boy. You look so lion. I think that's gonna be your costume for today. You like it? Oh, baby. Wow, that is a lion attacking me. Wow! Then we have a little prison pooch costume. Jupiter's been a bad boy.
Sting!
He's going to jail today. Alright.
Jupiter's going to jail.
Because of what you did last night, Jupiter was a bad boy. Tired.
Look, I can get as many shots as I want. I can literally go to here.
Then we have our teddy bear costume, a walking teddy bear. Okay, that makes it 10 times cuter. He looks terrified.
I honestly am not the type of person that would put a costume on a dog. He's having some He's not having a good time. I feel bad.
It's way too little on him. Yeah, this was a fail. See behind the scenes, we filmed the entire behind the scenes of the struggles of putting this on. It's now live on our vlog channel, Natalie and Dennis Show. He'd rather play with them than wear them. Conclusion of this video, it was a lot harder to put them on than Jupiter for sure is an extra large. It's a lot harder to find the right size, so make sure that you find your dog the right size. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe to the family. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for sending me all of these incredible requests. If you want to see more videos of Jupiter, comment below, and we would love to do them. And we are signing out.